Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mira Wati from International Business Administrations. Today I will presentation about structural decisions and infrastructural decisions. Structural decisions related to tangible such as buildings, equipments, the way equipments and personnel are organized in process, and how the business links to other businesses. Infrastructural decisions related to system used to enhance the utilities of the structural research to control those resources so the business achieves high levels of productivity. Understanding structural and infrastructural decisions. According to Dias Garrido et al. 2007 and Idris et al. 2010, structural decisions are the ones that defines the shapes of the building blocks associated to a particular operations. They are directly related to the tangible aspects such as process technology for manufacturing, vertical integrations, facilities like locations and capacity and variety of product manufacturing. Adversely, infrastructural decisions are affecting organizational cultures, control systems, workforce, quality management, and leadership. Competitive effects of structural decisions. First is capacity decisions. Since capacity determines rate of output, competitive priorities most closely tied to capacity decisions are those related to output rate and volumes. Cost is affected by the science and cost per unit and match between design capacity and load. Quality is also affected by the match between design capacity and the demands. Second is facility decisions. Facility decisions can influence cost because of manufacturers. If the organization is located close to suppliers, so may be able to save on transition costs. Likewise, if they are located close to customers, they can also save on shipping costs. Costs can also be increased by upkeep costs. Quality can be affected by facility. Quality can suffer if the work environment is not designed in such a way for different manufacturing or processing. Third is process technology decisions. A strategic process can result in decreased labor costs through automations and reduce the amount of inventory of hands. Technology can result in better quality and more uniform products are opposite to human errors and imperfections and also reduced variability of completion times. And the last is vertical integrations and suppliers relationship decisions. With a vertical integrations, organization can save on cost by focusing on their own core competencies and improve their productivity by producing what they know best. Quality is also improved by establishing long-term relationships with suppliers in an effort to improve quality. The competitive effects of infrastructural decisions. First is human research decisions. Strategic HR decisions can have a great effect on cost. Although automation has decreased the direct labor expense somewhat, there is still a need for administrative staff and plant staff, hiring a skilled workforce, and reduced training costs. Quality is also affected by human research. Second is strategy quality decisions. Making good decisions when it comes to quality can provide for better relationships with suppliers and better processes and ultimately less waste material, which reduce costs. Quality systems offer high quality manufactured products which enhance the organization's ability to meet client needs. Third is strategic production planning or inventory control systems. Production planning and control systems contribute to the productivity of resources by making it possible to accurately match the supply of capacity and inventory to demands. Production planning and control system enhance dependability of delivery by providing a means to improve the accuracy of predicting how long process will take. Production planning and control system also provide for much better schedule and more accurate delivery promise and flexibility, enhanced communication with equipment and enhanced utilizations, increase availability capacity or response times. For strategy, new products or service decisions. New products and service design process dictates the product or service attributes that will provide the customer the value they seek. Fifth, performance or reward system decisions. Rewards cost the organization money up front. However, these rewards can result in enhancing worker productivity, which in the long run can reduce costs, increase productivity of the employees, and increase motivation from rewards will increase the quality of the employees' output, and reward will also help retain experienced employees whose experience and skill contribute to overall quality. And the last is strategic organization system. Customers are looking for speed. It is necessary to have built into the organizational flexibility so that the organization can respond quickly to customer needs and give a commitment with a reasonable time period in order to retain the customer. The conclusion of structural decisions and infrastructural decisions is one way of categorizing the various decisions that typically comprise an operation strategy is to consider those that are structural in that they define the overall tangible shape and architecture of the operations, and those that are infrastructural in that they related to the people, system, and culture that tie together the operation activities. Okay, that's all about structural decisions and infrastructural decisions. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well-structured decision process for drug procurement, formulary listing, reimbursement, and pricing, which is robust and transparent towards all stakeholders.